Hi, my name's Anna. I'm the dietitian over at the Lewis Cancer and Research Pavilion at our Bluffton campus, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cool, refreshing watermelon mint popsicle. So this is a super hydrating popsicle for the summertime. Lots of electrolytes in watermelon, potassium, magnesium, a little bit of sodium, and then you're getting some mint, which is very refreshing, also can help with some GI discomfort. So our ingredients for this popsicle today are coconut water, again a great source of electrolytes, watermelon, lime juice, honey, or you can use agave if you prefer, and then some mint, some fresh mint leaves. So we'll go in with the coconut water, and then our watermelon chunks, about a tablespoon of lime juice, or to your taste preference. Just a little bit of honey for some sweetness. And then we'll finish it off with our mint leaves. And we're gonna go ahead and blend that up and make our popsicle mixture. You can strain this if you'd like, but I'm just gonna keep everything in there, get a little extra fiber that way. And then we'll go into our mold. All right, and that is our hydrating watermelon mint popsicle.